So now you come to the numerical part. So numerical means discrete and then continuous values are there. So we can call this discrete values as counted items. Counted items. So what example we can give is number of students present in a class. Okay, number of students in a class. So here we cannot say 5.2 students are here, 5.5 students are here. That we cannot say. Okay, it should be either 1, 2. It should be like rounded value, right? We cannot split a student into half. So those type of data we call it as discrete type. Okay, another example we can say is rolling a dice. Okay, here in that we will get if you are rolling only one dice means you will get the value from 1 to 6. If two dice means you will get from 2 to 12. So these type of values we can call it as discrete data. Okay, so rolling a dice. Okay, when it comes to continuous, any example? Temperature. Good. We can say temperature. So we can solve this within a range also we can say. In short, if you want to say continuous means within some range it will be there. It can be like floating value or fraction value we can say. Okay, height of a person. Yes, height of a person we can say height of a person, temperature. So and then time in a race. Okay, so all these are continuous values.